Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's up YouTube, Jeff Wybo here, and about a year ago, I posted a video about a heated driveway installation. Now on this channel, I have amazing content about passive income, how to buy your first investment property, how to pass the REIA exam, and what's my best video? Heated driveway installation. So in this video, I'm gonna be going over the heated driveway installation and the failure that happened with it. I know a lot of you guys have DM'd me on Instagram and wondering what's been going on with it. And now that we're getting into the winter season, I thought, what better than to have a video about the heated driveway? So I can't believe this video became the most popular video on my channel with the most views, and it's made the most money. Now it hasn't made enough money to cover the cost of the heated driveway yet, but it is the most paying video on this channel, so that's pretty cool. Currently it has 21,869 views, and that's primarily because you guys have been hitting the like button on the video for the YouTube algorithm, and if you can do it on this video, it'd be much appreciated. The video has 1,800 hours of watch time, which is 75 straight days of watching a heated driveway installation. From the video, I was able to pick up 91 subscribers, made $250 American, which is about $332 Canadian. Most people watch the video about halfway through. It's about a 10-minute video, and in that video, I actually just made it with an iPhone. No microphone, no fancy equipment, no fancy set. So if you ever want to start your YouTube channel and record anything that you do, it's doable, guys. Today, I become the hated person on my entire block. Why? Because I'm installing a heated driveway. So to recap, I bought this house and the driveway wasn't poured just yet. And I got the idea from my contractor, Dean, let's do a heated driveway system. I thought, this is amazing. So I told the concrete guys, let me know when you're gonna be pouring and we'll just get there a little bit before and we're gonna install the heated driveway system. Now, Dean is a very busy guy and he does not do heated driveways. He has big commercial contracts, so doing my driveway is just a little bit of a favor. He has never actually done it, but it's just like a boiler system, so what could go wrong? But he definitely understood the process, and even I understood the process. It was not too many moving parts, and okay, let's get out there and let's try it. But like anything, one of the big problems is getting the right trades in order to do all the parts of the job. So we bought this installation tarp. Put wire mesh down. Then we zip tied the wire mesh. And that's what we were going to be putting the tubes onto it as well, also zip tying it down. One of the really cool parts about the video was seeing my daughter Sadie, and then a year later now she's grown up, but to go back and watch the video and to see her, surreal.
One of the things you want to do always is
too much.
you want to have your baby in heated driveway, right? Yes, YouTube star.
So the concrete guys showed up and we began to pour. So I had so many comments about the concrete being cut on the first video. You guys all thought that the concrete guy was going to be cutting through the tubes. That did not happen, guys. Or did it? Oh, that'd be really embarrassing if it happened. No, it did not happen. It's all good. think, right? I hope so. So the grass is all down, the manifold's right there, all the tubes are going up to the manifold. You know, it's last fall and I'm waiting for the plumber. Now, the plumber said he's good to go. He's going to come and install the boiler system. But the plumber also doesn't care about one heated driveway system. He's got other contracts out there for builders and developers, and he's doing all the plumbing for them. So when I say, hey, are you coming for the heated driveway? Yeah, as soon as I have time, I'll be there. So 1 week goes by. It's Sunday night again. You text the person, hey, do you got time to come to the heated driveway? We'll see how the week's going. Okay. And Friday night, they never came. And Sunday night, text again, hey, how's it going? So it was a very mild December last year. We didn't really need a heated driveway, so I wasn't even like too concerned. But then we get into January and it's still not hooked up. And the same kind of thing goes on and on. Hey, you coming this week? No, you're not coming this week. Next week, doesn't come. And what happens? We eventually get into the pandemic. Now, nobody's coming to install my heated driveway system. And I didn't really need it because we were all at home. So that was a shame. It never really got hooked up. So then it turned into summer. Yeah, try getting a plumber to come out in the summer to install your heated driveway. All they're going to say is, we'll see you in September or October. Which leads me to November now. We're in November and I still don't have the plumber. Insert Dean. Dean, the hero, is going to come back and he's going to help me out on this portion of the project. Right now, Dean is looking for a person in the trades that knows what calculations have to happen for the boiler. Now, we don't want a boiler that's going to be producing too little of heat, not to heat the driveway, and we don't want a boiler system that's going to be producing too much heat and is going to crack all the concrete. Well, that would actually make a pretty good video, actually. Heated driveway destroyed. Maybe I will tell Dean to sabotage the project for YouTube, you know? Maybe get some more views. Anyways, guys, it's a failure to currently melt the snow, but stick around because I will be doing the video because we're gonna get it done in 2020 right now. We're just waiting on a few things and we'll have the video on the channel. I know you guys wanna stick around to actually see the snow melt. It's just gonna be a video for 10 minutes of watching snow melt. It's going to be amazing. It's going to go viral. So stick around on this channel and you're going to watch that. Maybe I'll do a bit of a commentary. And honestly, guys, I'll just break it if they put the wrong boiler in there because, like, again, that'd just be a good video. Or maybe the video will be just me shoveling the snow with a cigar in my mouth, heating the driveway with my ashes. That would be a good video. I'll give you guys some content, don't you worry. And like I said, failure to melt the snow, but we will get it up and running, so stick around. And if you guys are new to this channel, hit the like button, guys, on the video, and also subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. Because, you know, you want to stick around to see if we're going to be actually melting this thing. Also, if you want to head over and follow me on Instagram, at Jeff Wybo, I post there every single day. So if you want to be part of the action, get over and follow me on Instagram. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.